Hey guys, current situation here. I am on my break at work. I'm about to send out a letter to one of my subscribers, and she doesn't even know I'm sending it. And then I'm going to hit up the Dollar Tree really quick because I haven't been to the Dollar Tree over here in a while because I did just take a new position, as you guys know, and I want to see what they have. And plus, I've been seeing everybody's videos of all the new Valentine's Day stuff and even Easter stuff. So I want to check that out, and I also want to see if they have any Peeps because me and my girls love Peeps. So yeah, I'm just gonna run in here in Ace Hardware. They have like a built-in post office, and I'm going to mail that off, and then I'm going to take you guys into Dollar Tree with me. And don't mind this look, because if you follow me on Instagram, you already know I went to work like this today. It's raining and I was not about to fix my hair. Y'all, I've arrived, but I've got a funny story to tell y'all. I'm so ditzy sometimes. I literally got out of the car at the post office and I left my car running. You know, it's push to start, so it doesn't have to have a key. So ridiculous.
Got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind. I am so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines. Needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Reading patterns like the apples. Meditation through the yoga lessons. Going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines. Needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. 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 Tell my mommy I'm alright. Got no money on my mind. Don't you worry about me. If I keep feeling like I'm missing something. Don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about me. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines. Needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. 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 Tell my mommy I'm alright. Got no money on my mind. I'm bored to death on the job. I'm sick of walking this dog. It's like I live in a fog. Tonight I want something new. I feel the need to get rude. I'm tired of watching the tube. Oh, God, I need some fast relief. So, hey, baby, please, now won't you tell me you feel the same and you want someone to turn it all around and let you free. Now it's on. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty.
Okay, so I am finally home now, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. I was going to film this in the car, but I got a phone call while I was about to film it, so I just figured, okay, I'll go home and I'll film it. Probably look better anyway. I've already been home and taken a shower and everything. So truthfully, my Dollar Tree did not have a lot. They didn't even have as much Easter stuff as I figured they would, because they usually put that stuff out early. And honestly, they had boxes literally. Honestly, literally, does that even go together? They had boxes all over the store. I couldn't even hardly move my cart around because there were so many boxes. So that really sucked, but there wasn't a whole lot there. Hopefully I can go to a different Dollar Tree this weekend and see if there's more stuff I can find. So the first thing I got is just this little flower vase. It's just plastic, and I got these flowers to go in it with the little pink in there. I got 3 sets of them, and I'm gonna put the little sweethearts down in the bottom of them. I bought 2 bags because I didn't know how many it would take, and let's face it, if they are too many, then you know, we always like to eat those. And then I also picked up ANNSLEE 3 pair of socks. I got these right here. They're kind of like low cut. And then since it's still cold, I picked up these right here. And I also picked up these right here. She can wear these all the time. It doesn't really matter. They have hearts on them. She's a girl. And she goes through socks like crazy. I don't know what it is. I bought her new socks for Christmas, but they're not the type that you would wear with a lot of clothes. They're more like lounging socks. I didn't realize that at the time. So yeah, I picked her up from some socks. And then the last thing I got was just this Juicy Fruit gum, because I was looking for it at Walmart the other day, and for some reason I could not find Juicy Fruit gum at my Walmart. So I grabbed this at the register at the last minute, and I'm so excited because I have been craving it like crazy lately. Okay, so here are how the flowers turned out. I think they look really, really cute. I did try some of these sweethearts, and they are not as good as they were when I was a kid. Let me know if you feel the same way. I feel like ever since I have become an adult, the sweethearts are not as good anymore. And there was always a brand that tasted better. I can't remember what brand it was. But yeah, I thought this turned out really good. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. I haven't even decorated since Christmas. Like, my house is seriously bare, so we will see. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any kind of shop with me videos you wanna see, maybe Hobby Lobby or anything like that, let me know down in the comments below. Or if you have any video ideas. I know I haven't done a cleaning video in a while. I have one coming soon, I promise. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.